Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best hidden hitch is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone looking to expand their vehicle's utility, transforming your car, truck, or SUV into a versatile workhorse capable of towing trailers, bikes, or even small boats, making weekend adventures or demanding tasks significantly easier and more accessible without compromising your vehicle's aesthetics or performance. Number 5. HitchSafe HS7000 Key Vault. Keep your keys, cash, and cards safe during any adventure. This innovative solution ensures your essentials are always protected and within reach. Crafted from 100% metal with a rust-resistant coating, it offers discreet storage. This durable vault slides seamlessly into your 2-inch hitch receiver, staying out of sight. Setting it up is incredibly simple and requires no tools. Everything you need for installation is included, making it ready to use almost instantly. Designed to fit most standard 2-inch trailer hitches, it's perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Please note, some Toyota models may require an additional bolt set for optimal fit. For ultimate protection against unauthorized access, a Faraday bag is recommended. This essential accessory blocks radio signals, keeping your key fob secure. What we like. This innovative vault offers discreet and secure storage for your valuables. It slides directly into your hitch receiver, keeping items safe from prying eyes and the elements. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or use car-sharing services and need a truly hidden, secure spot for keys and cards, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. CURT 45260 Class 3 2-inch Ball Mount. Constructed from high-strength steel, this ball hitch offers exceptional durability. It's rated to tow up to 7,500 pounds gross trailer weight and handle 750 pounds of tongue weight, providing reliable performance for your towing needs. Featuring a 2-inch by 2-inch shank, it fits almost any industry-standard 2-inch receiver. With a 2-inch drop and 3 4-inch rise, it helps ensure your trailer remains level during transport. Preparing your trailer for the road is simple with this mount. It includes a 1-inch hole, perfectly sized to accept a trailer hitch ball with a 1-inch diameter shank. For extended use, it's protected by a durable black powder coat finish. This coating effectively resists damage from rain, dirt, snow, road salt, and other corrosive elements, keeping it looking great. Installing this Class 3 hitch ball mount is straightforward. Just insert its rounded shank into your vehicle's 2-inch hitch receiver, then secure it with a hitch pin. What we like. This ball mount provides dependable strength for your towing needs. Its robust steel construction and protective coating ensure long-lasting performance and resistance to the elements. If you're looking for a reliable, standard-duty ball mount with a 2-inch drop for everyday towing tasks, this option is built to last. What people say. Number 3. CURT Manufacturing 45270 Class 3 2 Ball Mount. Constructed from high-strength steel, this ball mount is built to last. It's rated to tow up to 7,500 pounds gross trailer weight and 750 pounds tongue weight, ensuring reliable performance for your towing needs. Featuring a 2-inch by 2-inch shank, it fits most industry-standard 2-inch receivers. With a 4-inch drop and 2-inch rise, it helps promote level towing for a smoother journey. Hitching your trailer is made simple. It includes a 1-inch hole, ready to accept a trailer hitch ball with a 1-inch diameter shank. Trailer ball sold separately. For long-lasting durability, it's protected with a durable black powder coat finish. This finish easily resists damage from rain, dirt, snow, road salt, and other corrosive threats. Installation is straightforward. Simply insert its rounded shank into your vehicle's 2-inch hitch receiver. Then, secure it in place with a hitch pin, sold separately. What we like. This ball mount also offers impressive strength for heavy-duty towing. It features a significant 4-inch drop, providing more flexibility for various trailer heights. If your vehicle has a higher hitch receiver and you need a greater drop to achieve level towing, this model is perfectly suited for your setup. What people say. Number 2. CURT 13932 Class 3 Trailer Hitch. Introducing the CURT 13932 Class 3 Trailer Hitch. It features a 2-inch receiver, making it versatile for various towing needs. This hitch is rated for a substantial 5,000 pounds gross trailer weight. It also handles up to 500 pounds of tongue weight, providing reliable performance. For heavier loads, it's compatible with a weight distribution hitch. This boosts its capacity to 8,000 pounds gross trailer weight and 800 pounds tongue weight. Engineered with a vehicle-specific design, it ensures a perfect custom fit. This precise engineering guarantees optimal performance and easy installation. Its main body is concealed, offering an original equipment (OE) look. This design provides seamless integration with your vehicle, maintaining its aesthetic. Rest assured, it has been rigorously tested for safety. This product meets the high standards set by SAE J684. What we like. This trailer hitch is engineered with a vehicle-specific design for a seamless, custom fit. Its concealed main body integrates perfectly, maintaining your vehicle's original aesthetic. If you prioritize an OE look and need a hitch that can handle up to 8,000 pounds with weight distribution, this option offers both style and serious capability. What people say. Number 1. Reese Hidden Hitch Max Frame Towing System. Introducing the Reese Hidden Hitch Max Frame Towing System. This robust solution is engineered to provide reliable and secure towing for your vehicle. It combines strength and precision for all your hauling needs. Every max frame receiver is custom-built to perfectly match your vehicle's manufacturer and model year specifications. This ensures a seamless integration and optimal performance. You can trust its tailored design for a secure connection. This system is rated for impressive towing capacities. It can handle up to 8,000 pounds gross trailer weight for weight carrying, and up to 12,000 pounds when properly equipped. You can confidently tow a wide range of trailers with it. The included AngleCut Class 3 ball mount is designed for durability and ease of use. It features a 1-inch ball hole, a 3/4-inch rise, and a 2-inch drop. This versatile component helps you achieve the correct towing height. Both components boast a sleek black powder coat finish, providing excellent resistance against corrosion and wear. This protective layer ensures its longevity and maintains its appearance over time. It's built for the long haul. For added assurance, the ball mount comes with a limited lifetime warranty. This commitment to quality reflects the confidence in its design and manufacturing. You can tow with peace of mind knowing it's backed by a strong guarantee. What we like. This ball mount features an angle-cut design, offering a distinct aesthetic and robust performance. It's built to handle up to 6,000 pounds GTW, making it suitable for a range of towing tasks. If you appreciate a specific design detail like the angle cut and need a reliable ball mount backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this product provides both confidence and style. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points can be extracted or quoted as requested. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.